Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Hamza, and I will be teaching you the English portion for entry test. And now this video is not only specific for NED. Okay. Now this can be used for any entry test or any competitive exams. So now in this video, I will be teaching you the vocabulary and the sentence correction part. Okay. Let's get started. All right. Now, why vocabulary is important and synonyms and antonyms are important because they are also asked in comprehension. If you get 6 questions in a comprehension or a 10, so you will be asked like 3 to 4 questions will be on vocabulary. The number one is brevity. Now, how you will going to learn this? Brevity means short. Okay, brevity means short. Now, you think of a sentence of it. The first sentence is the brevity of human life means the human life is very short. Okay. Now the synonyms are short, laconic, brief, and concise. Okay. Now, if this is short, then the antonym is going to be longevity, confused, and loquacious. Now you must be thinking that the teacher has used these sort of terms, laconic, loquacious. You also don't know the meaning of these. Okay, now here's the solution. If you find the root words, and if you don't know about the root words, please watch the previous videos which I uploaded on my page. If any word contains LOC or LOQ, that means talk or to talk. Okay, now here laconic and loquacious. Furthermore, many people pronounce it like fidi, more fide. It's okay. We are not going for the verbal test, we are going for the written test, so anything is acceptable. Now it means is trust and believe. Last time we studied about the root word born, bane. So born means positive, and here fide means trust, means bona fide. It's positive trust, fidelity, trustworthy. Now you are going to learn vocabulary by the help of root words, prefix, and suffix. Next is feeble. You all know feeble means weak, fragile. Now you can see that fragile means kamzor, and it also means that can be easily break. Okay. Now antonym is strong, firm, muscular, and powerful. Miserable. Misery means bad. I also told you that MIS means bad or something worst. Now, melancholy, a sad song, unhappy, sad, dismal, pathetic. Antonym will be happy, glad, joyous, prosperous. You have to master the word with the root word, then synonym, and then antonym. 3 synonyms and 3 antonyms would be enough. Horrible, horrible, horrid, ghastly, terrified, awful, ugly. Antonym will be agreeable, pleasant. This was an easier one. Now, this is the homework for you. Those who are watching my videos, first of all, thank you to all of you. These two words are homework for you. Find the meaning, find the synonym, antonym, and just drop it into the comment box. Now, furthermore, root words. These are important, and my emphasis on root words because by this you can learn million of words. For example, for negative, plethora of words: anti, dis, miss, malnutrition, illiterate, un, im, non. These are all prefix, okay, and this will give you the negative sense. For positive, pro, com, be, et. So you just have to identify the word. For example, mistreatment. Okay, the word is mistreatment. Now, for example, if you don't know the meaning of it, but there is miss that means it is a negative one. So you are going to, it will be going to easier for you to find the synonym and antonym from the given options. Furthermore, prefix de, this, ex, in, pro. Now you can just read this, and this will surely going to help you. And do comment if this video was useful or not. Furthermore, the last thing is sentence correction, because I am also focusing on the entry test of NED, DAWOOD, Sir Karachi University, and even for the medical students. So this is surely going to help you. Now for the sentence correction, the one is, it was John's and Peter's car. Now I think probably 80% of the student will think that this is the correct sentence, but let me show you that this is incorrect here. When a single thing is shared by two people, the last one will contain the apostrophe s. Okay, the dog lost his bone. Now you will be thinking that it might also be correct. No, you don't know the gender of the dog. There will be it. Okay, she could not decide among the two guys. Now among is wrong. There will be between. Okay, the police is coming. Police are coming. It was a kind of a hot day. And you will be thinking, sir, I guess this is okay. No, again, A is inappropriate here. Ask him to sit beside me. I'm going to give you this one a homework. Ask him to sit beside me. Is this correct or not? Kindly comment. And also homework for you that I saw 2 years in the word. It is more hot now. My husband has a new work. So do solve. And if you find any sort of difficulty, do comment and do reach me on WhatsApp and Facebook. Furthermore, if you want to make antonym of any word, I'm just talking precisely about the antonym, you can add a or in before the word. So these are all short tricks, very brief lectures to just enhance your vocabulary and to just give you the guideline that how you are going to prepare yourself for the entry test, competitive exams, and if you are generally just learning English language. Thank you very much. And if you have any query, you can comment, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you very much, and God bless you.